Welcome, today I am with Honor 7X and I will show you how we can apply tempered glass on display in this phone. So at the first we have to grab the tempered glass and we have to open it. So inside you will find the tempered glass and also the two additional wipes that we are going to use to clean our display. You have to also remember about the good lighting condition to see every mess that you have on your display. In my case, almost everything is fine, but you have to spot all of these fingerprints, greasy marks, pieces of the dust or any stuff that just is on your display. You have to remove it before installation process, and that's what we are going to do right now. So you have to grab these wipes and we are going to start with the wet one. So we can just simply open it like that. Okay, honestly this one is not wet, it comes dry, so you can use something like the window cleaner. Apply it a little bit on this wipe, just a little bit. Okay, I just put it too much, but we are going to remove it anyway by this dry wipe. And right now you have to make moves in the circle to clean our display. We have to reach all corners and edges. And next you have to, sorry guys for the misspell, you have to grab the dry wipe. Put it on the display and then just start with removing the wet marks after our wet cleaning. Sorry for that background noises. I'm in the office and someone is doing crazy stuff. Okay, right now our display is in the really good condition, so we can finally grab the tempered glass. We have to grab the sticker, remove it like that, and then just follow slowly, remove it, and there it is. Right now we have to hold the glass like that and the four fingers. And the first we are going to apply glass for the upper section of the screen. Just like that. So we have to keep holding the bottom part and put it for the top section of the screen. Try to put it correctly. If you are sure that everything is fine, put your finger right here. Keep holding. Next, just put correctly the bottom part. In my case it looks like that. And put the bottom part on the display. Right now, take a look. It goes automatically. Of course you can speed it up by using your finger. Right now, grab the dry wipe and just clean the screen from the fingerprints. And yeah, as you can see, we almost finished. You can spot here a few of the glue marks, like for example here, so we can press on it and it disappears. So we can make the same with any other glue mark. And that's how you can apply tempered glass on the Honor 7X. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.